Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me another very cool product that we use every day in our RV. And it's not for the reason you think. It's not because we're elderly or, well, I guess we're a little bit elderly, but it is a bed rail. And they are great if you're elderly or if you have problems getting in and out of bed or for whatever reason. In our case, we live in a small RV. And if you're an RV'er, you know what I'm talking about. These beds get very cramped. I'll just take a peek here. These beds get very cramped. There's not very much room on either side of the bed to pull yourself up. And to get out, you can't walk down the side of the bed, so you have to kind of use your full core. And some of us may not have that great a core anymore. So a bed rail on the side is great to pull yourself up. It's not a matter of being old or anything else like that. So from an RV'er's perspective, they're really kind of cool to have. And they have a little pocket there. You can keep your phone in there. You can keep, magazines in there. You can keep remote controls in there. I kind of like them. Am I going to like them when I get old too? Yeah, probably. But I kind of like them for a different reason. Now, would they work great if you are having problems getting out of bed? If you're having some issues getting out of bed? Absolutely. They're great for those two out of a normal sized bed and a wooden bed that has sides on it. Absolutely. They'd be great for all of those things. So let's put this thing together. We're going to put it together on our RV bed. And you can also just imagine what it would be like on a regular bed too. And what's really cool about it, and this picture demonstrates it really well, is this goes underneath your mattress. So if you have a heavy mattress, that's going to hold it in place. Plus, they have ways of strapping that in to your box spring or the board that goes under your mattress to hold that in so that when you're applying torque to this, that it stays on. Plus, it has feet on the ground. It's really cool. Done several of these, and they're all great. And I highly recommend them. I highly recommend for young people that have, and I'm speaking from an RV perspective, I recommend it for younger people that have RVs. They are just awesome to have right next to your bed. You have a little place there for your remote controls, your phone. Everything is right there. And plus you have a handhold to pull yourself up. They're pretty nice. So let's get busy and put this thing together, should we? So there you have it. It's all built, and we're going to put it under the bed. And I'm not going to actually put this on, but this strap is made to go across the bed where this, and attach to here, and attach around the bed and hold this in place so that this could go nowhere. So this is really good too. This is nice. You grab a hold of this and you can get yourself out of bed. You go out and get yourself a bed rail. You'll love it.